Hello and welcome to this episode of Traverse City Guide. Today I'm showing you every water slide at the Great Wolf Lodge in under 2 minutes, so grab your tube and let's go. Now let's step into their water park and give you a tour of their 38,000 square feet indoor water park that is kept at 84 degrees year-round. In the center is Fort McKenzie. It's filled with playful water toys, sprayers, dump buckets, making it the perfect place to explore and get drenched. The crowning feature is a giant tipping bucket at the top. When it fills to the brim, a huge gush of water cascades down, creating an exhilarating splash zone. Fort McKenzie isn't just a playground though, it's an immersive experience where you can climb, slide, and laugh together. Crooked Creek. For those moments when you want to relax and take things slow, Crooked Creek is the ultimate lazy river experience. Letting the gentle current carry you through a winding waterway surrounded by sounds of laughter and splashing. It's the perfect way to unwind after the thrills of the bigger slides as well. Alberta Falls. This is a tandem tube slide that you get to ride with a friend. It is definitely a lot of fun and you will not be disappointed. River Canyon Run. A family raft ride designed to bring everyone together for an exhilarating water adventure. This slide takes you on a twisting, turning journey filled with excitement as you and your loved ones ride waves together. The ride's wide circular rafts can accommodate multiple riders, making it a shared experience. I would say River Canyon Run is one of the more extreme rides at this Great Wolf Lodge. They also have some kid areas like Whopping Hollow and Totem Towers. Both are designed for the littlest adventurers. This charming space features pint-sized water slides and gentle splashes, giving kids the chance to enjoy the fun of the water park in a setting that is perfectly scaled to their size and energy level. Totem Towers. Located at the summit of Fort McKenzie, the Totem Towers water slides offer an exciting way to cap off your treehouse adventure. Manitoba Tubs. For parents and adults looking for a peaceful escape, Manitoba Tubs provides a haven for relaxation. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Traverse City Guide, and have a great day.